Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, and what I have behind me is a 2025 Forest River Wildwood 31KQBTSX. That's a tongue twister there. This is a super awesome unit, guys. We got pass-through storage up front. There is a whiteboard right there on the outside of the compartment. Huge awning with LED underneath. On-demand tankless hot water. And then just right back here, check it out. Huge outdoor kitchen, guys. And at the back there's also a flip-around grill. So you have a grill as well. Coming further up this unit here, guys, we are already prepped for slide toppers on the unit. We do have JBL sound system inside and out, accent lighting down the side of the unit, and a spot where we can mount a TV. Let's check it out. My oh my. Yes, sir. I love these 2025s. All right, guys, right off the bat, we have our TV set up. Huge TV there. Fireplace, keep you warm on those chilly nights. Tons of storage all around and little storage beside. Next up, we got our L-shaped kitchen. Huge sink right here. We do have lighting underneath the cabinets right where we want it, and storage up above. Another one of my favorite features. Check that out. Hidden microwave, hidden range hood. There we go. 3-burner stovetop, Furrion, and a great size oven. And then storage galore. Pull-out drawers there, storage underneath, and this pops out. Garbage can goes right there, guys. Tower of power also in the kitchen. Super handy, super awesome to have. And then Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. Super deep. Alright, guys, over here we have the new Versa Lounge table kind of thing. So this, you can go whatever way you want to with it. You can have two people sitting there. 2 people sitting here. You can have 2 people sitting over here. You can have it as a desk. Plenty of options there. This couch does convert down into a bed. And we already have the storage bins. Check that out. I'd use a couple of those at home. Right outside the bathroom here, we do have our, what I would call a linen closet. Put your towels and face cloths in there. And then check out the bathroom. Hey guys, love the arch on the mirror there. Beautiful shower. And you have tons of space around the toilet right where you want it. Back here for the kiddos, we have opposing slides in the bunk room. Super nice, super wide. This does drop down here. So we have another bunk. Mattress is right up here for that. Don't worry, guys. Over there, another bunk, and that couch will pull out as well. Tons of storage all around here. Check that out. All those bins come out. Great spot for a TV there as well. Kids could have a pretty nice sized TV in there. Alright, up to the master bedroom. And we have the versatile king-size bed in here in the master bedroom, so we got extra floor space. We do have closets on either side here. I say either side, just one side, sorry. End tables on either side, store phone, maybe a glass of water in the middle of the night. You do have above storage, and then up underneath here, more storage, as well as an access point to the front compartment. Folks, this is a super awesome 2025 unit. Huge bunkhouse for the kiddos. Sleeping 4 back there. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.